Morning everybody. Now then, day 2 of my KTM Sweet Lamb Adventure. Cracking day yesterday, stayed dry and ended up being blue sunny skies yesterday. Now we're yesterday was very much about braking, standing position, correct standing position, skids in a straight line, skids turning into corners, things like that. Absolutely brilliant day. The Sweet Lamb Adventure place is absolutely amazing. It's huge. They've got about 30 miles of trails and roads, and then you've got the off-road grass stuff as well thrown into that, so it's a massive place. And today, well, yesterday there was only 2 of us being instructed yesterday, and today it's just me and Pat's riding in front, as you can see, and today is just about me and him, and we've got Sweet Lamb to ourselves. So what a weekend to do it. Another dry day. It's going to rain later, but it's warm, so no chance of getting cold today. So we're going to have a good day today. A little bit some low cloud, but hopefully it should stay dry for most of the day, and then a bit of rain later on today. So keep watching and we'll see how today goes. There's the kind of little tech trading track that they got for turns, jumps, cornering and what have you. So we're going to come down this hill, front braking, about 20 miles an hour, and we're also going to come down this hill that you can see in the distance there as well. That's where they do the shooting. So neutral gear. All right. Yep. Okay. Oh. Right, we're heading onto grass now. Now the old arse is twitching a little bit. Front and rear braking, or rear and then front braking together. And the plan is to come to a stop on grass, so we'll see how this goes. Pat's been brilliant so far, absolutely great instructor, same as Molly and Tom yesterday. Really good. Look at that, just look at the view you got with Sweet Lamb. All the trails available, just brilliant. Right, concentrate now. Not too bad. Oh, a little bit slide out there. Right, here we go. All that is Sweet Lamb. Oh, here we go, ditches again, look. Here we go. He hasn't taught me to do it, but oh, going to different way. Oh. Different way completely. The amount of space you've got to play with up here, just incredible. Just beautiful. Awesome. What a facility. So it's raining at the moment. A little bit of misty rain, so it's going to make the grass a lot slipperier. So I've got to be a bit more careful today or this afternoon. But last leg of the journey now. About an hour and a half now out riding, putting into practice everything I've learned. Yeah, so just riding now for the rest of the afternoon. Finish by 3 o'clock. Then I've got a 3.5 hour ride back to Cambridge. But would have been very worthwhile today. Yes! No. Finally a bit of blighty weather. Can't come to Wales and not have some rain?
Yeah. Okay, we'll carry on then.
Yep. So I will definitely have to put my Gore-Tex membrane back in for the trip home, because I don't have that in right now and I think I'm going to get slightly wet. Oh. Don't know if I've got a puncture or not, but there's a definite wobble on the front wheel. Oh, I have, yeah.
Well, that's the end of cooking today, then.
Yeah.
Just good.
About 20 minutes ago. Oh, about 15 minutes ago. I thought I started to feel a wobble. Oh.
That's good that day, short, isn't it?
That's that then, isn't it?
How did you feel?
Yeah.
You just ridden for 15 minutes in the platform tyre.
Yeah.
You're pretty fucking good, aren't you?
Yeah. I thought to myself, I started thinking, no, don't be such a twat. You're just making things up now. But then it continued and continued. And I thought, oh, it feels like I got a flat. So, and it is.